Hey, buddy, why are you crying?
No one wants us anymore. Review, we used to worth about $2,000. 6 months later, owner died, and now we have been abandoning a scrap bed for over a year now.
Hey, bud, can't guarantee it to be sold for $2,000, but I bet you for $200, Ultimate Car Shop can definitely find you some use. Here, follow.
Hello, Ultimate?
At Ultimate Car Shop, we have the largest quality used tires in stock. All seasonal or winter, you name it, we have it. We'll take care of your installation, plus we also do car repairs, detailing, custom exhaust, and more. All at a very competitive and unbeatable price. Ultimate Car Shop, you break it, we fix it. We are located at 2640 Max Street, Ottawa. Please don't be a stranger and call us at 613-523-3113. Ultimate Car Shop, the ultimate in auto repairs.